Hi, everyone. My name is Jayati, and I am an analytics leader in Amazon, leading their customer behavioral analytics unit. Today, I'm going to talk about how organizations leverage AI and analytics to drive strategic models, customer experience, and business performances. I will use an Amazon principle called customer obsession. Basically, it is where customers or where leaders start with the customer and walk backwards, and try to give you some flavor over the next 5 minutes of how we can use AI to influence some of the marketing strategies. So let's start at the very beginning, where research team conducts several market studies to understand the voice of the customer. One such study that I'm going to reference was what drives consideration and advocacy for the brand. Now, customers were interviewed and the data was collected. The analytics teams, they use a model called structural equation modeling, or commonly known as SEM models, to assess the relative impact of different brand attributes. Now, sharing what we saw from these inputs of SEM models were three distinct parts. Two were rational and one tangible in the following order of importance. The first one, which is the most important one, convenience, right? Themes such as easy shopping experience, selection, reliable delivery, convenience comes out as some of these drivers. The second one which came out was enriches my life. Now, customer service, quality, innovation, valuable membership fees, etc., are parts of this. Now, these are not very tangible, but these are important as part of what customers view and consider, Amazon for, or as a matter of fact, any brand. And the last one, which we are all very well aware of, value and pricing, right? Now, with these insights or with these drivers, right, leaders have a clearer direction in terms of what levers they want to optimize as input drivers. Let's take the first one, which is convenience. Here, the marketing teams and the analytics teams set up experimentation to understand, say, one of the input driver, delivery speed for different product GLs, marketplaces, to understand what is the market sensitivities. Now, the analytics team uses this data from these experimentation and causes something called the causal inference models to answer questions like, if I bring the delivery time from 6 days to 2 days, what's the impact? Or from 2 days to 1 day or even 0 day, what is the impact on my sales? Now, this helps leadership focus their efforts on what to optimize, because there are costs associated with logistics, warehousing, etc. And as much as we like our 15-minute delivery, it's not possible for such a large catalog, right? So again, let's take the theme. Let's take another theme in this theme of convenience, which is selection, right? I think all of us widely know that there are different ML strategies that help in creating a better catalog of selection, right? There are the recommender systems which help you in terms of context matching, ASIN matching, similar customer, etc., and group and give you recommendations. Then there could be graph-based models, right, or ML strategies which do sequencing. For example, suppose I went and purchased baby toys, and then I browsed on a baby stroller, and then purchased nursery furniture. Then it would, on basis of what I did, right, it would create a graph sequencing model and then sort of give you a recommendation action in terms of what I would do next, or what is the next product that you could see. And then there are other models depending on which market you are, you want to promote a certain GL, or which is the next. I like to running, so let's say I'll get a lot of recommendation in terms of shoes, apparel, etc. So in terms of the next best GL or something, right? There could be a lot of strategies. Now, how does it all come together, right? The website is powered by a powerful content marketing platform. Basically, what you see items above the fold cart and below the fold cart, right? These content orchestration platforms sit on top of these ML models, which takes input from recommenders, engagement statement models, customer behavioral models, etc., etc. What it would do is then rank the different widgets. This is a time window depending on your actions, right? What you do is you scroll, you clicked on something, you bought something, etc., etc., and then it would score them on impact. And impact could be sales, profit, etc., etc. And voila, what would you see? You would see a list of category or deals on the app, and then the feedback loop continues. And the next time you sort of log in, you would see a different ranking of widgets basis what you did and how it sort of optimized it. So that's how you see the whole recommendation or the listings that you see on an Amazon platform. I'll stop there, I think, and I hope I was able to give you a little flavor of how ML plays an important strategy or key role in driving some of these strategies. Thank you so much.